Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramulu. Today's topic is Schrodinger time independent wave equation. So it is very important for the UG level and integrated PG also. Okay. So first let me start. Consider a system of stationary waves associated with a particle. Right, stationary waves. Here the stationary wave means for example, let here it is a wall or it is a substance. To it one thread is tied, one end of the thread is tied, and let another end of the thread is you are holding like this. Suppose if you move this thread, this end of thread like this up and down, then what happens? Like this waves forms. And also like this also wave forms. Such waves are called stationary waves, right? The next, let x y z be the coordinates of the particle and psi the wave displacement for the de Broglie at any time t, and psi is called as a wave function. So psi, to solve the equations in quantum mechanics, psi we take it as a displacement, and it is a periodic single valued and it is a finite value. Okay, so the next, it is assumed that psi is finite, right? Finite means it has a certain value. Okay, so it has a countable value, not uncountable. Countable value, that is a finite. And the next, single value. Single means suppose the psi value if you get like this 20 like this, it is a single term, or 20t, it is a single term, or 20x like this, it is single term. Okay, and the next, periodic function. So psi is always we write in terms of either sine or cos. That is a periodic function. Why sine and cos are periodic waves? These are the sine and cos wave we get, so periodic function. Okay. And the next, the classical differential equation of a wave motion is given by. Classical means classical mechanics or Newtonian mechanics. According to classical mechanics, there is a one equation for wave motion. It is in already in the degree first year we have, right? In the degree first year. Okay, friends, that is what that is the equation. Dou square psi by dou t square is equals to v square, it is a v velocity, v square into dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square. Here it is in terms of time and differentiable, and it is, these are the differentiable in terms of x, y and z. Okay, left side term is always time and right side is always in terms of x, y, z. Don't forget like this. And this bracket term is replaced by one quantity that is called del, and already square terms are there, that is what is a del square. You have to read it as del square. And this del square, see, this is replaced with the del square, and this del square what is called? It is a Laplacian operator, right? It is a Laplacian operator. Laplace is the name of the scientist, Laplace. So it is Laplacian operator. Okay, and v is the velocity of the particle. Here v, this v is the velocity of the particle. Okay, next, the solution. So see equation 1, which is, this is the equation 1. Okay, it is equation 1. So it is a second order differential equation, so that is why it has it may have what? It has solution. So the solution of equation 1 is given by in terms of psi only. It is this solution is in terms of psi. Psi is, I just now I told you, it is a displacement. So already in degree first year, second year, we take solution as y is equals to y naught sine, or y is equals to y is equals to a into, sorry, y is equals to a into or x is equals to a into sin or cos omega t minus kx we have taken like this. In the place of x or y or z, what we have taken common term, that is psi. It is what it is it is also in terms of psi, but it is psi naught we have to read. Okay, psi is equal to psi naught sin of omega t. Omega term is a 2 pi nu, so it is replaced like this. Okay, where nu is the frequency of the stationary waves associated with the particle. Okay, the next point, differentiate equation 2. So differentiating equation 2, it is not a 2, sorry, it is a second equation. Okay, when you differentiate, so dou psi by dou t it becomes when you partial differentiation, and psi naught is a constant term, constant. Sin of 2 pi nu t, so sin of 2 pi nu t becomes cos 2 pi nu t, but 2 pi nu t come outside. Okay, whatever quantity is present in the multiplication of t, that quantity comes outside. So t multiplication is what? 2 pi nu t. See here, 2 pi nu t, this 2 pi nu t come outside. Why? This is the quantity, constant quantity inside the sign. It is a multiplicative quantity, it is a coefficient of time. Why we are differentiating with respect to time. Okay, next, again differentiate this equation, then it becomes dou square by dou square psi by dou t square is equals to cos become minus sin 2 pi nu t. Again 2 pi nu t come outside, so already 2 pi nu t is there, once again it comes, so it becomes 2 pi nu t square, right? 2 pi nu t square it is, right, like this, and a minus term has come. Okay, and so just to write this pi this side, so multiplication to the sign, so nothing will happen, so just write this side, make it one side, and this term is one side. So this is what you know, it is become psi. See, sin of 2 pi nu t, sin of 2 pi nu t is what? Psi. So here also sin of 2 pi nu t is psi. So in the place of this is what we have substituted this one. Okay, see, this is okay, and minus as it is, minus as it is, 2 whole square is there, becomes 4 pi whole square, pi square, nu whole square means nu square, into this is the replaced by psi from equation 2. Okay, and now nu can be written as, we know velocity is equals to what? Nu lambda. Velocity is equals to nu lambda, and from this nu is equals to what? Velocity by lambda. Velocity in the place of nu, what we have to substitute? What? Velocity by lambda we have to substitute, then we get this equation. Okay, the next, substituting the value of dou square psi by dou t square in the equation 1, then see what is the equation. So this is the equation, again I have written here, no need to go back to see continuously. So it is equation 1. In the equation 1, where you have to substitute in the place of dou square psi by dou t square, where it is here, and in the place of that substitute this term here, substituted, sorry, it is in the place here only, and it is, see, this is written left side and it is written right side, in the place of this term is substituted. Why do we have to write like this? You know, I need to write a del square is equals to what I need, that must to be present at left side only, and what I am going to substitute, that must be right side. Okay, so that is why, so it is like this, and this is written this side and it is written this side, and in the place of this it is substituted, so that is why it is. Oh, see, okay, like this, and here v square gets cancelled, then what you get? Okay, v square gets cancelled. Okay, v square gets cancelled, and bring this minus term this side, already it is a minus term this side, if you bring this side it becomes plus. Okay, and now according to de Broglie, What is the formula? Lambda is equals to h by m. We know. So that is C. In the place of lambda, substitute this term. Okay. Yes, already lambda square is there. H square by m square v square. So h square by m square v square. M square v square goes upside. Why? Already it is in denominator. It is denominator. Again, denominator goes upside in numerator. Okay. Next. Numerator, yes, it is fine. Now keep it equation 4 like this. Now if E and V be the total and potential energies of particle respectively. So generally total energies are denoted by V, E, and potential energies V, and kinetic energy generally we denote with T. So we write E is equals to T plus V. Total energy is what? Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, so that is like this we write total energy is equals to, and but here the particle is moving. When the particle is moving, it may contains the velocity, and then its kinetic energy is we write half mv square. So that is written. Okay, and total energy equation is what? E is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So already we have known here kinetic energy term. So from this kinetic energy, T is equals to, keep it here only and bring this V value this side, already place is there, it becomes minus. T is equals to E minus V. So in the place of T, half mv square is written. Half mv square is equals to E minus V. Okay, like this it comes. Next, substituting. Okay, next time. So to this equation, multiplying with the m on both sides, then already m is there, m into m square. Here no nothing m, so it becomes m. Let me write it, let me explain side. What? Half m v square is equals to E minus V is there. So multiplying on both sides with m. When you multiply on both sides m, then what happens? 1 by 2. Already m is there, m into m square, v square is equals to, here this side no m, so m into E minus V. E minus V this is. Next, bring this to that side. Then what? Sorry. Half m v square is equals to E minus V. So multiplying with m on both sides, then 1 by 2. M already is there, m into this m square this side into V square. This side m into E minus V. Okay. And bring this to that side. So m square v square is equals to 2m into E minus V. So 2 square into E minus V. So like this, 2 square into E minus V. So that is 2m into E minus V. So that is why this is 2m into E minus V. That is the reason why it is written like this. Okay. And the next, make it is equation 5. Substituting equation 5 in the equation 4. So what is the equation 4? Just now I told you, keep it like this only. See, this is the equation 4. So where you have to substitute in the place of m square v square. In the place of m square v square, substitute this term. Then it is equation. This is okay. Next. Here, next. Already 4 is there and 2. 2 into 4 it becomes 8. Pi square, m, by h square, E minus V, same thing. So it is equation 6. This sixth equation, what you call? This is a Schrodinger time independent. That means in this equation there is no t term. Time. So that is why time independent. It cannot depend on time. Wave equation. And this equation also, this is also written in the form of like this also, in terms of h cut or h cross. Okay, so how we can write in terms of that h cross? See here. So see, this equation is what? This is the equation 6 is like this, and here see what? 8 pi square by h square is there. 8 pi square can be written as 2 into 4 pi square by h square, and this 4 also can we write 2 square? Yes, already it is square, common and it is also square. So for all common square can be written as 2 into 2 pi by h whole square. 2 pi by h. But h cross is what? H by 2 pi. So in this place what we can substitute? 1 by h cut we can substitute. In this place already 2 is there, 2 by h, see, so 2 and m is also there, 2m by h cut square, and remaining thing all are same. Okay, this is equation 7. So it is also Schrodinger wave equation in terms of h cross, and it is in terms of h, both are same equation. No, so if you stop in the examination up to here, then you can get full marks. Otherwise if you write here, then also get same the mark. Next, another form. What is another form? So it is in terms of h cut equation. Sorry, see here. It is in terms of h cut equation. So here take outside common or multiply to this equation with the h cut square by 2m on both sides. Okay, on both sides. H cut square by 2m. H cut square by 2m. So then this side h cut square by 2m. Yes, h cut square by 2m. And here also if you write h cut square by 2m, 2m cancel, h cut square cancel, then this bracket will remain. So that is why here nothing is there. All are gets cancelled. Here it is a product. And now like this we get. Now what you have to do? Multiply psi inside. Okay, psi is multiplied. And after multiplication, one thing you have to do here, one shortcut is written. After multiplying psi inside, okay, psi is multiplied. Okay, what do you get? E psi minus v psi. Okay, E psi minus v psi. And after next what you have to do? Or before it, see here, before first multiply with a negative to this equation, minus. So then here plus is this, so that is why you get here minus term. And here if you multiply here inside, and psi also multiply, minus and psi, minus e, here plus v. This minus e is brought this side, so that is why it is minus becomes plus e. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, here one more step we have to write, but I have forgotten to write. Okay, sorry for that. So just multiplying with a minus, okay, to this equation, then you get like this, minus h cut square by 2m del square psi plus, okay, minus, you are multiplying minus, then what happens? This plus becomes minus. Okay, minus e minus v psi is equals to 0. Now minus, multiply here minus inside, minus h cut square by 2m del square psi, and not only minus, and also psi also multiply inside. So then minus e psi plus, already here minus is there, and this minus become plus v psi. This minus e psi bring that side. This is equation you get. Okay, when you bring this minus e psi that side, this minus become plus. So already what terms is there? This term is here, and plus v psi is here, right? So I think you have understand it. Okay, next. Now after sending that side, and here psi, take outside common, write it like this, and keep this bracket. I am simply replacing with one quantity, that is a h. The bracket is simply I am replacing with h. Then how do you write? See, h psi is equals to e psi, where h is what in the place of h? This is the equation in the place of h. This h, what you have to say? H is called Hamiltonian operator. Okay, Hamiltonian operator. So it is another form of Schrodinger time independent equation here. Okay, Suppose, let me apply this equation, Schrodinger time dependent equation for free particle. For free particle, free particle means a particle which is free means its potential energy becomes zero. Okay, so in the place of v, if you substitute 0, then we get this one, this one. So what is the general equation? General first equation in terms of h cut square, del square psi plus 2m by h cut square e minus v into psi. This is our formula, is equals to 0. In the place of v, if you substitute 0, then only e will be there. So that is why this equation. So it is for what? Free particle. What equation? Schrodinger wave equation for free particle. This is the equation. Okay friends, thank you. So this is my video.